My name is Chris Grimes. I'm the engineering manager here at TYKMA Electrox, and I'd like to show you a brief overview of a vision system that we've used to locate a part in space and mark it appropriately. We have accuracy of up to 3 to 5 thou with this application. This particular system is for a customer who produces knives, and we're using this to locate which knife is in the field and assign a location of the knife, X, Y, and rotation, and then mark a logo on it. For the purpose of the video today, I will just show you using this black tag. So you can see here on the screen that I have a few things open. I have our laser software, which is our icon interface, TYKMA interface here. And here we have a marking file that's loaded. On the right-hand side, I have access to our software API. So here in the web browser, I'm directly talking to our software interface through the commands of the API, and I can actually run it from this screen. For the purposes of this video, what I'm going to do is execute this setting info, and what this will do will load a laser program. It will load a corresponding vision inspection with that program. It will figure out where the object is in the field, X and Y, as well as the rotation of the object, and it'll then place the image at the appropriate position inside of that object based upon all of these parameters. So I'll just start with the first example. I'll set it here in the field, and I'll click this execute button. And you'll see here on the left side of the screen that we load the marking file. We trigger the camera, and we get the information from the camera. You can see that the orientation of the box, the 2026, as well as our logo, follows the orientation of the plate. If I move this up and tilt it the opposite direction and hit execute again, you'll see exactly the same thing. Load the marking file, trigger the camera, set the graphic appropriately based upon where the plate is. I'll do that one more time. Bring it down here, make it a little more difficult, turn it to the side, say execute. You see again, load it appropriately. From here, I can go ahead and do a dry run of our marking to show you where it would land on the part. And you can see here we have a red laser beam just going through sort of a dry run of the marking sequence. I'll go ahead and move this back up here again, and I'll rotate it some more. Press execute again. And I'll start the marking again. You can see here, again, this is going through a dry run marking of our logo. It's pretty neat. So let's do this in real time, and let's actually laser mark this plate. One more time. I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to open our shutter. I'm going to hit execute on the camera to make sure that I resync our marking file. And I'm going to go ahead and push start and laser mark this. Again, plate in the marking field, execute, and mark it. I love seeing that happen. So let's do it again. Thank you for your time today.